Hey everyone, this side Elisa and today I am at VisaBoard and here we have the founder of VisaBoard, Mr. Hiren Thakkar. So let's have a conversation with him and let us know about VisaBoard. So hello sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, very good, very good.
So what is VisaBoard and how did you identify the gap in the visa industry that you tried to fill with VisaBoard?
Okay, so VisaBoard is basically a portal through which we are providing all the digital services, which is the burning and the need of all the visa consultants across the industry. The gap which we have identified is that I personally have worked as visa consultant since last 20 years of time.
Okay.
So by rolling with a span and tenure of 20 years of time, we came to know that the operational part, post-admission, is the major challenge. And thereby we came up with an idea to provide the post-admission services to all the visa consultants. So that is how it came into the assistance.
Yeah. Alright. And what are the services that you offer?
We have 6 features at the moment on the VisaBoard. The very first feature is the B2B Visa Assistance.
Okay.
Wherein we provide operational support to all the visa consultants across the India and across the globe. So what do we do in this B2B Visa Assistance? If any of the consultant wants to have an admission services, so that we have, suppose if he has already got the admission and if he wants to only obtain the visa file SOP, so that we do it. If he only wishes to apply for the university SOP, so then also we cater basically that services. Then if anybody's case is rejected and if he is willing to only take the appeal letter, so we also provide only individually for the appeal letter. And suppose if any of the consultant is wishing and wanting to apply for all the services, so we have all-in-one services. So what we have done is the B2B Visa Assistance is that we help for the admission. If somebody has already admission, then we can help them for the university SOP, visa file SOP, then covering letter, then appeal letter, then assistance and submission of the visa file, and all-in-one services. So this is what we offer into the B2B Visa Assistance services. So this is our first feature. Our second feature is Alster Technology, in which we have integrated artificial intelligence and through the machine learning, we have trained the model which will be able to generate the statement of purpose on the basis of the information paid by our visa consultant partners. So earlier it was a challenge for the visa consultant that if anybody is hired in his office, so that person and resource has a limitation of the vocabulary, then English and anything else. But with the help of the Alster Technology SOP, we have fed almost more than 353 dictionaries, Oxford dictionaries, to the machine learning process, through which they will be able to generate multiple answers for only one question. So they will be able to obtain more than 300 answers for one question with the same meaning and with the different sentences. So this is basically the promptness and prompt engineering we have used to develop the Alster technology, which is helping the visa consultant to help them to draft the unique statement of purpose for each applicant with the effortless manner. So this is how we have developed for all the visa consultants. This will also help them to reduce their manpower, and if they are dependent to only one person who is drafting the SOP, so they will also be having the parallel partner like a VisaBoard, through which if they have accumulation of so much of work, so they will be executed through the VisaBoard portal also. So now we have a third feature which is a visa consultants community. So as of now, in the history of the visa industry, none of the company has developed such kind of a community. The reason being is why that if any of the company is going to establish a community where people come and promote their product, so ultimately the influence of the parent company will be dull, and just because of that reason, none of the company has come up with such kind of an this mobile application as well as the portal. We at a VisaBoard, we are the only company who has launched the mobile application for the for the visa consultants community, wherein they can come on a community on everyday basis, and they can create their own post, and after, if they do regularly this posting, they will be getting even reward points also. So after 3 posts on a consistency basis, they will be getting the reward points into their wallet, and through those reward points they will be able to even utilize the services of the visa boards also for the post admissions. So this is what is a platform for the visa consultants community, on which every day more than 53,000 visa consultants are coming every day for variety of purposes. But ultimately, on the community, a visa consultant will be able to post their product at the free of cost. Secondly, if they would like to create an event for spot admission or seminar or workshop or anything, so we as a VisaBoard platform, we are allowing them to create an event so that it will be easily notified to more than 50,000 consultants just in a day. So this community is helping and empowering all the visa consultants across the globe to promote their own product. And suppose, like, if a visa consultant is there, so every day for the marketing purpose, they are boosting their advertisement on the various social platforms, and if they really want to reach to their targeted audiences, to the visa consultants particularly, they will have to spend money. But here on the VisaBoard portal, the community of only visa consultants comes. So it is first of all a free of cost. They will not need to spend it, and anyways, if they are making their flyers for the marketing purposes, so they can just simply come and post their flyer. So that's how they will be get the more visibility and mileage in terms of growing their business. So this is the third feature of the visa consultants community, for which I would insist and I would request all the visa consultants to download it and stay in touch with the industry news. So it's an amazing surfing area for a visa consultant. The fourth feature is about the e-visa. So we have observed that those who are the educational consultants, they are normally not dealing with the e-visa, and those who are doing the e-visa, they are not able to grow into the student visa business. So we are the first portal across the country that we are providing both the visa services. So we are also providing all operational support for the education purpose, as well as for the e-visa, particularly for the travel, like Dubai, then Kenya, then Ethiopia. So these are the countries in which the e-visa application is done. With the help of VisaBoard support and services for the e-visa, every visa consultant, those who are not working into this area, only doing the education, they will be able to generate some extra revenues with the help of this feature. So only dealing into an education, but they will also be able to open the e-visa section, so they can contribute to the growth of their revenue. So this is the e-visa altogether. So I would prefer all the visa consultants to have at least the credential and dashboard of the VisaBoard, which will definitely help them to explore the possibilities in the landscape of the visa industry. Now we have the fifth feature is the marketplace. So normally the traditional and customary business were taking place by the college or university is that they have to hire 2 persons from the university, and then they will send to the various territories of India and conduct the seminars through which they will be able to obtain the agreements of the visa consultants into the Indian territory or in any other part of the world. With the help of the marketplace feature of VisaBoard, university will be directly getting a platform to offer the university agreements to all the visa consultants. So this platform is going to be the jumping board for the college and the university, through which they will be able to easily connect to all the visa consultants, because anyways there are 53,000 visa consultants are coming on the website. So this is going to give the leverage to all the colleges and universities to immediately grab an opportunity and to expedite their growth of process. So that is the best advantage of the college and university. Second advantage is for the direct representative of the university. So normally what we have observed is that if any of the visa consultants or the agent who has got the direct representation of the university, so any individual client, those who are holding such kind of an agreement, who does not have the access to the number of visa consultants. So just because of that lacking of the access to the visa consultants and community, they are not able to do well. And at the very same time, the big giant tech companies, they are coming into the place and spending heavily, getting into and immediately notice. They are able to basically wipe off the businesses of all such individual visa consultants who are holding the direct representation agreement. So we really want to empower the visa consultant who is holding the direct representation agreement, through which he will be also able to recruit maximum number of students. So VisaBoard is basically a platform which is giving a recognition to the direct representative that he is the direct representative. You can also work with him. So this way, the individual person who will be able to basically approach to maximum number of this visa consultants, those who are wanting to explore into the B2B this area. So for direct university of representative, we are the right platform, going to help them in an enormous way. So this is going to be the game-changing features across the industry. That is what we believe.
Alright, so this is something very unique and it's a very nice idea. And as you told that everything is digital, so how you ensure that this platform or this portal is user friendly?
Right. So using this portal is very much easy. You just whenever you go into the VisaBoard website, you register yourself, and once you do the sign up, there are only 4 clicks that you need to do on the VisaBoard portal. So you place an order, you upload the documents, and you request for the services. Once it is done, the VisaBoard team will work over the case and will deliver the things in the turnaround time specified on our website.
Alright. And what is your vision?
Our vision is that we really want to be the best ecosystem of the visa industry. And we want to be the best companion to the colleges, universities, visa consultants, and all the people who are holding the direct representation of the agreement. So this way, we want to accelerate their businesses, and we want to make sure that we will be the a make my trip of all the airlines. So we want to be the make my trip of the visa industry so far.
Okay, all right. And how do you feel that DNV Business Consulting has assisted you?
The DNV consultant has helped us into the operation and into improving the culture of our company, and most importantly achieving our this target.
Yeah.
So I'm really very much thankful to the DNV consultants. Yeah.
Okay, and as everything is digital, but apart from that, if we talk about your particular platform, so are you coming up with any new feature as of right now?
Yes, the marketplace is going to be the new feature, and then there will be an insurance also that will be coming up in the future.
Okay, absolutely. And at last, I would like that you give a message to the audience.
I would like to give a message to the audience, to all the visa consultants, to the all industry members, that VisaBoard is a platform which you must try and you must use it. There is a visa consultants community. Let's join hands together and let us thrive together. And we have really that India has really that potential that we can do really anything. So particularly for the visa industry, for all my brothers visa consultants, all colleges and all universities, I would definitely insist them to use this portal, and it is really going to be the game changer of the time to come.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Hiren Thakkar. It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you very much.
So now stop wondering if you need any assistance related to visa. Just contact VisaBoard and get all the solution. And also you can download their mobile application.